Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix error code 202 on your Samsung TV. But first, what does this error code mean? The error code 202 means your Samsung TV is experiencing a network issue. The following are some of the common causes of the error: network issues or outdated Samsung TV software. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Reset the TV and router. Start by unplugging the TV. Unplug the router, wait 2 minutes and plug them back in. Use the remote to reconnect to the wireless network, and the reset may get rid of the error. Update the Samsung software. Take your remote and press the gear icon to access the settings. Use the remote to scroll and click System or Support. Next, choose the option titled Software Update or Firmware Update. Tap Update Now or check for updates. Wait for the TV to access Samsung servers and find an update. Once it does, download and install the update per the instructions provided on the screen. The process may take a while, so be patient. Once it's complete, restart your TV to see if the network issues are fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.